were some stickers adhered to the front of the drawer. So here's a really great quick tip on how to easily remove stickers and sticker residue. Use heat, whether it's from a hair blower, hair dryer, heat gun, to remove any of the price stickers or maybe children's stickers. I've had dressers that have had children's stickers stuck all over them. And in this case, I'm guessing this was from a retirement home because they had the labels on the drawers. So I used my heat gun to remove the sticker. And once the sticker was removed, I was left with a really sticky residue. So you can either go two routes. There's a chemical route, and I buy Goof off. It's very, very strong. It does have a strong odor, but it takes sticky stuff and oils and any sort of mess off the dresser. What I actually prefer using is something that we all have in our kitchen, and that is oil. It can be olive oil, canola oil, avocado oil, just regular vegetable oil. It can be baby oil. It doesn't matter what you have on hand. I keep this little pump bottle of olive oil in my workspace, and just for this reason, if I have any sticky residue, I just plop a little bit or pump a little bit onto my shop towel and wipe it down, and it removes sticky residue beautifully.